Hello guys, myself Murtaza Agaz. You are watching the Android Classroom, and today I am going to show you a very interesting thing, Firestore. You all have must heard about Firebase, a Google platform. Now they have launched a new feature called Firestore. It is a type of database, but much more than a real-time database, as it can handle much more powerful queries, much more faster than the old Firebase, and has an auto scaling. So let's just start learning it and move on with that new technology. So create a project in Android Studio and add your and in Firebase console and add your Android app into the Firebase. You can refer any doc or tutorial to know how to do it. So let's just start and focus on Firestore. So guys, you can see in console I am having a blank screen. You also having a blank screen with an add collection. So don't be worried, we will adding some data very shortly. To add some data, and yes guys, if it when you open Firestore first time, it will ask you the two modes. Select the test mode so that it doesn't force the user to be authenticated. It can work in non-authenticated devices also. For testing purpose, we can just start with test mode. Okay, so let's just come to our Android Studio, and you can see I've created the UI. So what we are going to learn is basically a single app in which we will enter our name and our friend's name and get all the name in the list view. Okay. So here I have created a edit text and a button and a list view. Okay. In my main activity, I have initialized all the views, button, edit text and list view. Now let's start coding. So first we need a Firestore uh, object of Firestore. To get the object, we will just say Firebase Firestore, initialize it Firebase Firestore. We will name it db equals to Firebase Firestore dot get instance, so that we can initialize it in db. Okay. Now the second part is storing the data in the database. Okay. So what we are going to do here, first let me add a button on click listener on my button. Now to save a database, we need a map. It's saved in a key value. The database is saved in a key value pair. So first we need to create a map with a key type string and the value type is string 2. Name it as map to new hash map. Okay. Now in my map I'm giving key as name. You can give whatever you want, comma, value is going to be our text from the edit text. Okay. Now just add this map into our database, I mean Firestore. To do it, what we're going to do is db.collection. Collection is the name of a database in which we are going to save the documents. Okay. In Firestore, the data is saved in collection and documents. Collection carries a lot of documents. Okay. But a collection cannot carry a direct collection. It must carry a document, and then the document can carry a collection. I know it's very nested, but we will understand in our later videos what it is. For now, just understand that we need a collection, and I will name collection as group, because in our app we are going to save our friends group. So group dot set, sorry, dot document. Now there are two type of documents. Okay, one requires string and one requires string parameter. So what is the string parameter? Let me tell you. If we don't give a string parameter, what it does, it creates a auto generated ID to our document. But if we give any type of number or any data to it, it will create a manual generated ID. For now, let's just make it auto generated. Okay, and then set. In set we have to give our map. And yes guys, this is over. Now your database has been your data has been saved in your database. But just one thing left, we have to show the user that his data has been saved. So what we're gonna do is .add on complete listener. Now if the task is successful, it's gonna show the user your data has been added. Make test get application context comma data saved. Okay guys, for this tutorial, this part I am just saving the data. We are just saving the data in the Firestore database, and in the next part we are going to receive all the data in a list and show it in our list view. Let's just run our app and test is everything working fine or not. Okay, it's installing the APK. Okay guys, the APK has been installed in my mobile. You can see it here. Now let's just open our console, Firebase console. Let me enter some names and show you how it works. First name Murtaza. Let's add it. The guys, first time you add the data, you have to refresh the console page, as I think it's a bug in their console or something they haven't figured out yet. But once you refresh it, then it will automatically update it in real time. See, a collection has been created group, and we have a document named Murtaza. Let's give him one more name. Let me call him Hussein. Add who? See, other database has been added too fast. Okay guys, this is for this tutorial. In the next video, I am going to show you how to receive this all the data in the list. Like we have a list in later, like you can see. How to receive all the data, all your friends in a list and show in our list to you. Till then guys, subscribe my channel, like my video, and please share my video if possible. And if you have any complaint, if you have any doubts, or you are stuck in somewhere, just leave a comment and I'll be there to help you as soon as possible. Thank you guys, it's Murtaza. You have been a great audience.